Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to change our TikTok username. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have an updated TikTok account. We can do so by going into our App Store and make sure that we do have an updated TikTok account. Once everything is updated, we can go ahead and log into our account. So once we are here, what we are going to do now is to click our profile icon, and right after that, we're going to click Edit Profile. And if you notice on our screen right now, we do have here our username. So we're going to click this. And once we are here, we can go ahead and type in our new username. So just like for example, like this. And if you notice on our screen, there is an information that this particular username is no longer available. So we're going to change this or add something. And technically that is not yet taken, so we can use this particular username. Let us be reminded that usernames can contain only letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. Changing your username will also change your profile link. We should also be reminded that we can only change our username once every 30 days. So basically, if we haven't changed our username then, so we can just simply click save. But if we just recently changed our username then, technically we need to wait for 30 days in order for us to change our username. But then there's a lot of tutorial that would say that all we need to do then is to go to our mobile settings and change the date of our device. However, that is not gonna work. So we better wait for 30 days in order for us to fully change our username. So there you have it. That's how we are going to change our username on our TikTok account. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.